In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Wix. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that, by the end, you'll have a fully functioning order form integrated into your Wix website. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to head to the Wix website. As you might already know, Wix is a versatile, user-friendly platform that makes website creation accessible, even if you don't have a lot of technical experience. Once you're on the Wix site, go ahead and log into your account, where you'll be taken to your dashboard. If you're not already on the dashboard that contains your website, simply navigate to your specific website. Keep in mind that this process works with any of the sites you have under your account. Now, with your site opened, let's move on to adding an order form. Look towards the left side of your editor and find the Add Elements button. Click on it. The Add Elements menu is essentially your hub for all the different features that you can incorporate into your website. It's quite comprehensive, offering everything from text boxes to multimedia widgets. Next, in the list of categories, you'll see an option labeled Contact and Forms. Click on this. As its name implies, this section contains various form elements that you can use on your site. Since our focus is on order forms, you'll want to select Order from the list presented. This will display the available order form templates. Choose the order form that best suits your business needs. Once selected, the form will automatically be added to your page for you to start customizing. Feel free to edit the specifics within the form. You might want to change the text to reflect your products or services. You're not limited in terms of customization here. You can edit design choices like colors, fonts, and even layout to ensure that the form fits seamlessly with your website's overall look and feel. And that's it. You now have a fully customizable order form on your Wix website. Remember, this form is not just a static feature. You can always go back and adjust it to better accommodate changes in your business offerings. Consider previewing your site to see how the form functions from a visitor's perspective and make any necessary tweaks to enhance user experience. This capability to refine your form helps ensure that it remains an effective tool for your business. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating an order form on your Wix site. Be sure to subscribe for more guides that walk you through making the most of your Wix website. Until next time, happy creating!